So guys, today we are making abacha, and these are the ingredients we'll use. This is onion chopped, this is ground crayfish and star seasoning, star maggi seasoning. This is the uba or ubaka. Some people call it ubaka, some people call it uba, but here in this pot I have ubaka or uba. I added a little water and 1 seasoning cube to season it, and then I'm boiling it to boil for a few minutes. This is the mackerel fish we'll be using for the abacha. It's been steamed already. This is the star of the show, the abacha. It was soaked in water for a little while and then transferred to this sieve so that the water will drain out. In the mortar, I have roasted dry pepper, which will be grounded properly over there. Then in the pot, I have red oil, and I'm frying the fish with red oil. I'll use that same oil to mix the abacha. That's the baka over there chilling by the corner, and this is the fish, which I'm going to turn in a little while now. So I've turned the fish here, and I'm going to allow it to fry properly before I take it down. Then here I have the crayfish roasted. I roasted the crayfish for a little while and then grinded it. That's the grounded pepper, the roasted pepper, which I've grinded over there, and the darker thing there is the ehuru. In the mortar, I had to use mortar to break the maggi seasoning because it was so hard like a rock. So that's the seasoning over there. And here we have the chopped onion and chopped garden egg. This will be used for garnishing the abacha. So this is the same oil. In this pot I have the same oil I used to fry the fish. This will enable me to build flavor. So I'll now add the crayfish, the ground pepper, the ehuru. I also added ogiri, that's castor oil, castor paste. Yeah, castor. I added it here as well, the seasoning cube, a little salt. So the next thing now is to mix the abacha wire to work out everything properly. And it tasted so nice, so nice. So this is the finished product, garnished, and the only thing missing here is the garden egg leaves or the utazi leaves. I couldn't get that from the market, so I had to make do with what I have. So this